In this video, I'll show you how to make zip files on Android. Now, zip files are efficient way for you to actually merge different type of files together as one. So it's going to actually take less space on your device, or it's going to be easier for you to upload or to share to your friends. Now, if you have any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply you immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, a lot of app can actually be used to get this done, but one of the best and easiest app to use is called File Manager Plus. So simply search for it on your Google Play Store and then you should see the app. This is the app. As you can see, I've already installed it on my device. So go ahead and install it on your device and then click on open. Once you click on open, all you have to do, you are going to see access request. So just click on next. And then in here, simply look for the app. So the name is File Manager Plus. So you can see it in here. So just turn it on. Once you turn it on, you can see that the app is totally open. Now you need to locate those files that you want to, convert into a zip file. So I'm going to be locating my file. So I'll click on main storage and then I'll click on audio mark because my files are inside my audiobook. Sorry, audiobook, not audio mark. So once I click on my audiobooks, you can see my files in here. So my files are a combination of pictures, videos, and then a PDF file. So what I want to do is to, select all these files all together. So I'm going to hold down on it and then I'll select each and every one of the file. So right now we have to merge this file into a zip file. So you can see the three dot more icon at the bottom right corner. So click on it. You're going to see compress. So click on compress and then you have to give it a name. So I'm going to be calling this file compressed version. So right now all you have to do is just click on OK and it's going to start compressing these files together as one into one single zip file. So now you can see that it's actually done. You can see the compressed version.zip at the top, and this file actually contain all my files. So this is the quickest way for you to actually convert your files into zip files on your Android device when your PC is not around. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1000 subscribers for a while now and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.